sure. I'm guessing it's tomorrow because she's getting her hair done at my apartment and it's gonna be late. So I'm guessing her wedding's tomorrow, or if she's going to a wedding, I'm not sure. But both of these customers actually use my hair, so that's, damn, why I can't speak this morning. I was super geeked about that just by itself, that my customers, not only am I doing like installs for bridal and weddings, but also like both these customers use my hair, so that's like, I feel like a big deal. I'm super duper excited. I'm kind of nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but I feel like it's gonna go well though, that's for sure. Also, I did want to let y'all know that my website is still currently down. I'm planning to have everything like together in September, y'all. But for now, I'm just taking pre-orders. It does take, like I said before, 3 to 6 business days for the hair to come. I do ship out of state, I ship in state. If you want it to be shipped though through the mail, it does take about 6 to 8 days. That extra 1 to 2 days for priority now. But I promise to have everything together and set by September. So I did just want to kind of say that because there's been a lot of questions and a lot of people asking me if I have hair on hand. So there y'all go, that's your answer. I'll probably see y'all when I get back to my apartment in a second because I'm trying to get there quickly and I suck at recording and trying to drive at the same time. So I will see y'all in a second. Okay y'all, I'm currently on my way to what the fuck? Cottage Grove, that's what the fuck it's called. Far as fuck. But sis is back there chilling. I just basically got her together, I washed her and everything, and then I'm gonna just do all of the styling there. I'm hopefully trying to get done before 2 so I can hurry up and get back to the apartment to do the rest of the stuff that I need to do for the other wig. We're gonna see what happens though. Hopefully things turn out to work just how it's supposed to be. But we will see. So I'm really excited. I will talk to y'all though when I get there. I'll probably record the actual install, how it's looking and everything like that. I'm probably not gonna record the whole thing just because like I said, I need to get done around a certain time. So I need to make sure I'm on my P's and Q's when I'm doing the install, y'all. But I will like take little clips and everything as I'm going, or like when I'm waiting for like the glue to dry and stuff, I'll take a clip there, like stuff like that. So I'll see y'all in a second.